Hi everyone, welcome to the Wopak Shots. This is the painting that I have chosen for today's episode and named it The Royal Gate. From the outlook, it looks quite simple, but as you can see closely, it has got various details in it. This one is the most difficult painting that I have ever made. Since it has got 6 different borders, every border had to be made with different designs. It is intended to be made as a replica of Lotus Gate from Jaipur, India. It had to be colorful. So enough of what this painting is about. Let's dive into how.
To paint the royal gate, I have already made a rough sketch on my canvas. For this sketch, my reference image was Lotus Gate of Jaipur. Now I will paint all these areas step by step so that it will be easy for you to understand. Let's start painting the first border of the gate. To make this shade, I have mixed a dash of green with ultramarine blue. To paint this thin border, I am using cad red with a dash of burnt sienna in it. Burnt sienna will help to give a dark tone. Don't hesitate to use ruler for crisp lines. Next, I am painting this designer arc with a mixture of magenta and cad red. Personally, I really like this shade. Here I am adding dioxazine purple and blending it with the previous shade. I think this part needs a second coat. For these pillars, I have chosen a teal color. Actually, I prefer to paint 2-3 coats at every step. After that, take a mixture of green with yellow on a flat brush and with a very light pressure, tap it like this. This will generate a rough pattern on a wall. Now I am using a small brush to paint the border of the main door with burnt umber. After painting the border, I have decided to paint the base of the door with this vibrant color. Here I can use the flat brush, but I don't know why I am using this small brush. I guess I am quite comfortable with it. Paint this area with titanium white with the help of a flat brush. I am also going to cover this sitting area with white. Flat brushes really helps in painting large areas. I love it. For sitting area and path nearby, I am using light blue. Use white with a dash of yellow in it for this area. Now it's time for some fun. I'm going to use this stencil to create a designer border here. Let's paint this small flower and make that border more beautiful. You can paint any other design or pattern as per your wish. Try to use dry brush while using stencil, otherwise design will become quite messy. To decorate this part, I chose a small flat brush and quite simple design. Highlight this design with yellow paint. I have decided to paint this section with primary yellow. Always use flat brush to paint large areas. Believe me, you will feel relaxed. So far, we have completed these 3 levels. Now let's work on this area. To make things easy, I already sketched few petals so that I get clarity while working on my design. With liner brush, I am trying to paint flower petals here. Starting from smaller one, it is getting bigger and bigger. I am already in love with this design. And I think white paint really complementing magenta underneath. And few waves to fill this side of walls. To decorate the door, I am painting horizontal lines with glue. Another flower to beautify these pillars. Now it's time to add highlights to the door. Paint boxes with liner brush. Add another layer of highlight to enhance the beauty of this vintage door. Highlight this area with ultramarine blue and then add white on its upper and lower side. Let's highlight this flower with white. I can't stop myself for using stencil one more time. I must say stencils are quite fun to work with. Add blue lines to highlight these pillars. And the royal gate is ready.
So what is the one thing that you have learned while watching this video? Let me tell you. If you have a very complex project, then divide it into small milestones and work towards it to achieve them. Stay strong, work hard and be consistent, and you will be able to achieve your goals. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and like and share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next week. Till then, bye bye.